Hi, I'm Jenni, and our family has been using Uni-Serve's maintenance plan for a few years now, and they've been fantastic. They do a great job keeping our AC units running reliably, and we appreciate they let us know what maintenance is needed without pushing unnecessary extras. They're truly trustworthy and care about their customers, showing up when we've needed them and providing great service every time. Recently, we had them install an air scrubber, and the process was incredibly quick and simple. Since then, we've noticed the air in our home feels fresher, which is especially reassuring as we're headed into spring allergy season. And I also love knowing that if someone in our family gets sick, the air scrubber helps reduce the chances of germs being spread through our HVAC system. I absolutely recommend Uni-Serve, not only for their air scrubber, but for their overall service. They genuinely want to serve and care for their customers, and it truly shows in the way they show up in their business.